Students, in previous session, we have studied about the minors and cofactors of a matrices and the determinant of a matrix and a determinant. So let's first revise it. It will be used to find the value of determinants of order 3 cross 3. We have studied that if there is a determinant of order 2 cross 2, it is solved by cross multiplication method. Like if first row is A11 means element of first row first column, element of first row second column, second row first column into second row second column. So first we multiply A11 A22 minus A12 into A21 to find the value of this determinant. For example, we have discussed one example also. If first row is 3 4, second row is 2 9. So first we multiply 3 with 9, 3 9s are 27 minus 2 with 4, 2 4s are 8. So the answer is 27 minus 8 equals to 9. Now we will find the value of determinants of order 3 cross 3. So before finding the value of determinant of order 3 cross 3 means it has 3 rows. First row A1, A1, A11, A12, A13 element of first row first column. A12 means element of first row second column. A13 means element of first row third column. A21 means element of second row first column. Element of second row second column. Element of second row third column. Element of third row first column, element of third row second column, element of third row third column. So first we will learn how to find the minors of a matrix, which will be very useful in finding the value of determinant of order 3 cross 2. So M11, it is denoted by M11. If M11 is written, it means that we have to read it as minor of first row. One means first row and first column. M11 full form is minor of first row first column, and it is the determinant which is obtained by deleting first row first column. First row is deleted, first column is deleted to find the minor of first column. So the remaining elements are A22, A23, A32 and A33, which is obtained by again the same method by cross multiplication. A22 A33 minus A32 A33, which is the minor of first row first column. Similarly, we can find the minor of first row second column, and then we generalize this Mij equals to determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column. Okay, and the method will be same, the cross multiplication. And we have discussed some example also from our sheet. For the minor of first row first column in this, means first row is deleted, first column is deleted, 2 minus 5 minus 1 3. So we got 1 6 minus 5, 2 3 is 6 minus 5. And similarly M32 means determinant obtained by deleting third row and second column. So 2 7 4 minus 5. Okay. So its value is minus 38. Similarly, we can find M22 by deleting second row, second column, 2 8 4 3. So 2 3 is 6 minus 4 8 is 32, that is minus 26, and so on. So these are the minors of a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So after finding them, the next discussion, which is also very important, to find the cofactors of a matrix. So if we generalize it by writing Aij, Aij means cofactor corresponding to ith row and jth column, which is obtained by minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij, means minus 1 to the power I plus j into minor obtained by deleting ith row jth column. For example, if we take a determinant 521309 minus 1 minus 5 6. So A11 means minus 1 to the power, these two will be added. I is 1, j is also 1. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, M11 will be minus 1 to the power 2 is plus. Then we write the minor obtained by deleting first row first column. So it is 0 9 minus 5 6. And when we find its value, it is 45. So cofactor of A11 is 45. Now if you find cofactor of 1, 2 means minus 1 to the power I plus j 1 plus 2 into minor obtained by deleting first row, second column equals to minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 into first row is deleted, second column is deleted. So it is 3 minus 1, 9, 6. So how to find this then? Minus 3 6 is 18 minus 9. So it is minus 18 plus 9, that is minus 27. So hope you all must have understood the meaning of cofactors. Then we have discussed the question of cofactor, question 3 from the sheet also. Hope you all must have understood its meaning. The meaning of cofactor and minor. Now using these cofactors and minor, we can solve a determinant of order 3 cross 3. So now we will discuss the method to find the value of the determinant of order 3 cross 3. And we will use the same symbols. A11 means element of first row, first column. A12 means element of first row, second column. A13 means element of first row, third column. A21 means element of second row, first column. A22 means element of second row, second column. A23 means element of second row, third column. A31 means element of third row, first column. A32 means element of third row, second column, and A33 means element of third row, third column. If you continue to write in your notebook with me, you will be able to understand it properly. Otherwise, you will be get bored. So we are learning to find the value of determinant of order 3. So remember, we will multiply an element A11, one element of first row, first column with its cofactor. Then the same row will be taken, A12 into A12 plus A13 into A13. This will be the value of determinant. So we can take a row, right? The product of its element and their cofactors, and add these 3 products. For any one row, we have 3 products. Element of first row, first column into cofactor of first row, first column. Element of first row, second column into cofactor of first row, second column. Element of first row, third column into cofactor of first row, third column. You can simplify it by using the minus. We know that minor of first row, first column is obtained by minus 1 to the power I plus j, means 1 plus 1 into minor of 1 1 plus, we can write element of first row into minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into minor 1 2 plus A13 into minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 into minor obtained by first row, third column. And we know that minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 is positive. So instead of using cofactor, if we directly use minor, bus, we have to remember one thing, that first must be positive. Second will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, as it is odd power. So it will be negative. A12 into M12. So it is very easier to learn. Plus, minus, and then plus. So this determinant can be expanded easily and can be obtained. This formula can be used to obtain the value of a determinant. For example, if we discuss this determinant also. 5 to 1. First row is 5 to 1. Second row 309. Second row is 309 are the three elements of second row. Third row -1 -5 6. So first element of first row first column is 5 into write the determinant obtained by deleting first row first column, which is 0 9 -5 6. We have not to actually cut them, but this is I have done to make you understand this. Okay, 5 into 5 is first row first element of first row first column into minor of first row first column, which is obtained by deleting first row and first column. First column and first row are deleted. Okay. Then alternate. After plus, there will be minus. Element of first row second column is 2 into determinant obtained by deleting first row and second column. Okay. So it is 3 -1 9 6. Determinant obtained by deleting first row second column is 3 -1 9 6. Okay. Determinant obtained by deleting first row second column 3 -1 9 6. Okay. Then element of first row third column using this formula plus 1 into minor obtained by deleting first row third column, that is 3 0 -1 -5. Determinant obtained by deleting first row and third column 3 -1 0 -5. Okay. So now we find the value, which is very easy to find by cross multiplication method. 0 into 6 minus 9 into -5 minus 2 into 3 into 6 minus 9 into -1 plus 1 into 3 into -5 minus 0 into -1 equals to 5 into 0 minus -45 minus 2 into 18 minus -9 plus 1 into -15 minus 0. So 5 into -45, 45 minus 2 into 27 plus 1 into -15. 45 5s are 225 minus 54 minus 15, that is 225 minus 69. So the value is 15 minus 9 6, 21 minus 6 15. So the answer is 156. Okay, so we will check it again. How to check it? So we will use another method to find the expansion of the determinant. Remember, we can take any row or any column to find the value of a determinant. Means if we start with the second column, this is the second column, we can take the minors of this also, like a equals to, determinant of a equals to, if we use the second column only, Let's write it once again. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and A32. So if we use any column or any row, it will give the same result. Means what? If we find the determinant of A using this column, second column only. So it is, remember, 1 plus 2 is 3. So if we use minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into this element A12 into minor of 1, 2, then plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into minor obtained by deleting second row, second column, plus minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 into, and element of second to second column will also be there, element of third row, second column, into minor of third row, second column. This first will be negative. Next will be positive. Third will be again negative. Results will be same. For example, we discuss the same matrix again, which we have solved using first row. Now we will solve it using the second column. Okay. 5, 3, minus 1 is the first column. 5, 3, minus 1. 2, 0, minus 5 is second column. 2, 0, minus 5 is second column. Third is 196. Check it once. 5, 3, minus 1. 2, 0, minus 5. 1, 9, 6. Okay. Now we will use this column. Clearly it is second row, first column. Means 2 plus 1, 3 is odd. So it will start with minus. Element is 2 into determinant obtained by deleting first row and second column is 3 minus 1, 9, 6. Okay. Plus 0 into determinant obtained by deleting second row, second column. 5 minus 1, 1, 6. Minus will be there as it is the element of third row, second column. Minus 5 is the element A32 into minor obtained by deleting third row, second column. 5, 3, 1, 9. Okay. Check it once. 2 into minus, actually minus 5, as it is the element of second row, first column. And when it is the element of second row, first column, so the sum of the suffixes are 1 plus 2, 3. So it is odd. So minus 1 to the power odd is minus into element 2 into determinant obtained by deleting first row, second column. 3 minus 1, 9, 6. Right. Plus 0 into 5 minus 1, 1, 6. Minus of minus 5. Again, minus plus minus will be odd. So check whether it is giving the same answer or not. Minus 2 into 3, 6, 18. Minus 9 into minus 1 plus 0 plus 5 into 9 minus 1 into 3 minus 2 into 18 plus 9 plus 5 into 45 minus 3 minus 2 into 27 plus 5 into 42 minus 54 plus 210, that is 156. Is it giving the same result? Yes. Means it is correct. Okay. So we can expand a determinant through any column or through any row. Is that clear to everyone? So try the other questions of the sheet, which are based on the theory of expansion of determinants. Like this question number 4, we have in previous session discussed up to question number 3 about the minors and cofactors. In this session, you have to find the value of 4a. What will be the value of 4a, which you have to find? 4b, 4c, 4d is the determinant of order 4 cross 4. So try for it. Otherwise, we will discuss about it in next session. Now then, from question 5, we have to use the properties of determinants, in which without expansion, we will find the values of these determinants. Okay. But the first important method is to expand and to find the value of the determinants. Hope all students must have understood this. If anyone has doubt, he or she can directly ask me in comment box. Subscribe the channel and share with others also. Okay. I will share the link with you.